services, sir. Internet services and as well as the web services. Those mission is called as public servers. But this mission, one logical name required, sir. That logical name is called as the here www. So what is the name of this mission, sir? Very readily available. Coming to your systems only, sir. At maximum, you have your own laptops, your own desktops, most of the students. Anybody you know the name of your laptop? Name, device name or name of your laptop. Name of the device or name of the laptop or name of your computer. Anybody? No, sir? If you know anybody, try to say. Who are using your own systems? What is the name of your system? Dell Inspire? Actually, it's a model name, no? I'm asking system name, not model name. Maybe when I'm asking this question, internal all are thinking, my system HP, sir, my system Lenovo, sir, my system Samsung, sir, my system MI, sir. I have a brand name, but not the name of the device. Company name is different, model name is different, device name is different. All are not same. Simple. Now anybody who knows your system name, your device name? Who are using your own computers? What about online students? Anybody who have any idea? Laptop. Now your laptop or desktops are types of systems. Jebronics. That is also company name. Your own name. Very good. Okay, sir. I'll give some clue to identify your name of the system. I think so many you have the OS installation process. Maybe you a lot of times install the OS in your system. Formatting, installing, right? At the time of OS installation, 5 minutes, 10 minutes after, compulsory it is asking some settings. Remember, settings, country, language, next to date and time settings. At the same time, it is asking to set the name for this device. Mandatory. Without giving the device names, OS installation not completed. OS install not completed, sir. Switch on the computer is also not possible. So without device name, switching on the computer, no chance. Every computer we have the name compulsory. But bad luck what's current, we don't know. Fact. What about the name, sir? How can identify that name, sir? If you forget the device name, then do one small thing. My computer icon available on desktop here. My computer icon. Right click on the my computer icon. Go to properties. What are the information we'll get generally? RAM capacity, processor capacity, Windows OS model name, right? At the same time, your device name also comes. What is the device name? Desktop-8KR4GON. That is the device name. In the same place, your computers also, you have some names. So after completion of the class, you are going to rooms, your homes, whether check it first. And I have my own laptop, sir. My own laptop name is HP-Shiva-Lappy. My own laptop available, personal laptop. HP-Shiva-Lappy. This is my laptop name. The institute system, sir. Institute system name is this one. At opposite, what is the heading we have? Device name. So the moral of the story, every computer, either laptop or desktop, one identifier required. An identification name is required. That identification names it these. Same way, this also. But that is our local systems names, sir. Shiva Lapi, Ramesh Lapi, or Lakshmi Lapi, Shweta desk system, and what you observe desktop something something. These all are our local systems names. Like that, this is also one logical representation of one computer, but that is not an ordinary computer. The computer is that provides the services all over the world. But this system providing the services to all over the world or only in this classroom only working? Huh? This computer all over the world. In this my classroom only it is working, sir. Once if you step out of this classroom, sir, you can't access this computer. A personal computer, desktop, and but this one, sir, it's a main computer. Moreover, the server role it is playing, and it is providing the services to all over the world. So this system logical representation is triple W. And why they provide this, especially triple W only, sir? The meaningful, sir, because this server you can access all over the world. And what we have in this server, sir? What we have in this server, sir? Collection of our websites or group of websites all available in that server. Then only this one, World Wide Web. All our websites are presented or located in this server. Suppose today I developed my own website, sir, www.shivakumar.com. But the website source code where I have to keep, sir, in that system only. If you develop your own websites, that website source code also you have to place in that system. Then only it is accessible all over the world. Suppose, but what I'm explaining, this total notes documentation available in this system. MS Word file available, almost 70 papers of file is there in this system. E-drive it is available. Anybody access that one? Your HTML notes yesterday's explanation, today's explanation up to the last day of HTML. What are the topics we are discussing? Was 70 plus papers, theory part available with the HTML Shivakumar notes file name located in the E drive of this disk, hard disk. Try to access anybody from your laptops, from your desktops, from your mobiles. Access it. Possible? No, because it is my personal system. It is my personal system. And the file also maintained in my system. But if I want to allow all students to access this file, what I have to do? I want to allow every student to access this file, sir. So what I have to do? Move this file from my system to www. Whenever I place this file in this www, sir, but everybody they can access or not? From anywhere we can access or not? Round the clock you can access or not? That is the www. So all our websites source codes available in this server. Your website, my website, TCS website, Facebook website, IRCTC website, SBI bank website, whatever it may be. Are you developed any website? Yes, sir. You want to allow users to access all over the world? Yes, sir. Then copy into this system. Simple. Then only you becomes as a website. Otherwise, it becomes as your personal project. So www, it's a collection of websites. It's a collection of websites. So inside the www, what we have, sir, all our websites only, except that nothing special. But how to copy into www, sir, that we'll discuss in future concepts, sir. The process is called as the deploymentation. Like copying your source code from our local system to the www, the process is called as the deploymentation and hosting. Last days we'll discuss those things. Initially not correct. So this is the small information about this triple W user. First sentence we know from so many days onwards. Balance sentences just now we discussed about. So it's a identifier of a global server. Who is the global server, sir? Which is system providing the services to all over the world. The system is called as the global server. And what we have inside this global server, sir? Collection of websites. You are developing one website, I am developing one website, TCS developing one website, Infosys developing one website. All these websites finally placed in one location, sir. That location is called as www. You have some money, I have some money. We want to both safely place the money required. We are depositing into your bank. Like that, www is also one bank, but it contains only websites. It contains only websites. Who designed this www, sir? Who invented this www, sir? Tim Berners-Lee invented this www. Next explanation will get it. Just an idea saying, World Wide Web is designed and prepared by a person called as Tim Berners-Lee, father of the web, he is called. Next explanation, that only, W3C. Next, which company is owner of this www? Which company is the owner of this internet, sir? Any idea? Our internet, our web operations available all over the world. So who is the owner of this one? Google, Microsoft, or Facebook? Google. But which website is popular? Which company is popular? That is the owner. Huh? So Google is not owner of this one, sir. Facebook is not owner of this one. Microsoft is also not owner of this one. No owners. It's an independent concept. We don't have any owners. Google is also user of the internet. Facebook is also user of the internet. Microsoft is also user of the internet. They are not owners. They are all utilizing the existing internet architecture. No owners are available. It is an independent operations. Independent operations. A small example, sir. Who is the owner of RBI? Very popular word in our India. This one, RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Who is the owner? Huh? Sachin Tendulkar kada? No, na. Huh? Saurav Ganguly. Who is the owner of RBI? Reserve Bank of India owner. Governor. Governance. So there is no owners here. RBI is an independent organization. It's monitored by some group of peoples. Governor, deputy governor, president, secretary, something. Owner not available. Who is the owner of your college? One person name is comes conformly. Who is the owner of this institute, sir? One person name is comes. Who is the owner of that hotel, sir? One person name is comes compulsory. But who is the owner of WW? Who is the owner of RBI, sir? No owners. It's an independent organizations. Some group of peoples are working in that organization for doing of some activities, some works. So internet is not won by the Google. Internet is not won by the Microsoft. Internet is not won by the my Facebook or something. Why I'm saying this one, sir, and a public talk I'm explaining, sir. Google is the owner of internet. Some public feeling Facebook is the owner of internet. Reasons are these are the very popular in internet. A popularity different, sir. Owner is different, sir. But owners not available. This entire architecture, how it is going to maintaining, sir? If any problem comes, who is the responsibilities of those things, sir? That is called as our W3C. World Wide Web Consortium. Actually, WWWC. Previous one continuation. That one shortcut we are writing as a W3C. 3 W's, 1 C, sir. World Wide Web. C stands for Consortium. Consortium. What is this variety name, sir? It is one international community. W3C is a an international community, or you can also say as a international organization. This is the official website of the W3C, sir. w3c.org. The official website, w3c.org. If you open this website, you'll find every information about the W3C, WW, and web also. This is the website. A to Z information available related to our web, our internet, our IoT, Internet of Things, IoT, and W3C information also available here. When you have the free time, try to open the website, sir. We have some articles here. Try to read that articles. But what is the future enhancements of our IoT? What is the future enhancements in our web? That articles are already available here. When you have the free time, try to open and read that one. But now I'm clicking on about W3C. I want to know what is this W3C, who founded, when it is founded, what is their responsibilities. Just click on this one, sir. We'll get a small paragraph here. This total not required. This is enough. I'm just copying to this one for better visibility. So this is the small paragraph about the W3C. World Wide Web Consortium, I already said the full form. What is the responsibility of this W3C? Is it company or it is pharma or it is something else, sir? It's not company, sir. Sorry. In second line, we have this clarity. It's an international community. It is an international community or it's an international organization. What is this community or organization responsibility, sir? To develop the web standards. To develop the web standards. W3C's responsibilities is this one, to develop the web standards. What is the meaning of web standards developmentation, sir? Simple terminology, sir. But all over the world, we are using the internet and websites. This all monitoring team is this one. This is the team monitoring the internet and web operations all over the world. And in next thing, sir, if any new enhancements or new technologies are introducing or new things are introducing into web, sir, that R&D operations are performed by this W3C. R&D, research and developmentations related to web and related to IoT. IoT currently very popular, Internet of Things. That Internet of Things invented by this only, sir. And the future enhancements also going by the same team only. They're performing the R&D operations. At the same time, they're performing the maintenance operation. I'm maintaining the web all over the world. And at the same time, I'm inventing the new things in the web technologies, new things in the internet also. That is the responsibility of this W3C. Who formed this organization, sir? The person is called as this one, Tim Berners-Lee. He's the founder of this organization and he's the director of this organization also. Founder and also current director. And he's the only person working in this team, sir. No, sir. In third line, we have the information, see that. A full-time staff is working. A staff's duties what, sir? Developing new things, introducing new things. At the same time, maintaining the existing things. If any problems occurs in the existing structures and modifying of that problems and rectifying of that problems, everything. So full-time staff is working, sir. How many staff working, sir? That I don't know. We'll ask later Tim Berners-Lee. Exact employees count, I don't know, sir. So full-time staff is working. This total staff is led by this one. I'll do the small comparison, sir, if you have any confusion about this one. This word, no, anybody? ICC? ICC. Actually, it's a very, very popular. International Cricket Council. On cricket head, International Cricket Council. But what is the responsibilities of ICC? Conducting of only tournaments, Asia Cup, World Cup, T20 Cup, like this only tournaments conducting only their duty, or inventing the new things related to cricket also. No? Tournaments conducting, maintaining of the proper players profiles, giving the permissions to start your own teams, at the same time spreading the cricket to all over the world. The whole world is not playing the cricket. Some countries only playing. This ICC, they are going to putting all their efforts to spread the cricket to other countries also. So spreading the cricket, maintaining the profiles of the players and countries, conducting of the tournaments. Next, if I want to introduce a new rule in cricket, sir, then by India, na by ICC, na? ICC only. India introduces the rules, sir, that is related to only BCCI only. But it's not followed by the ICC. Any new techniques you want to introduce in umpiring system or no ball identification or white ball identification, sir, that also should come from ICC only. New formats, new rules and regulations, everything is come ICC. But in simple word, the whole supreme power of the cricket in our world is ICC only. Who is the owner of ICC? Who is the owner of ICC? Again, no owner. Owners not available. Directors, presidents, vice presidents, secretaries, vice secretaries, board members. These are all organizing. In that, Indian members are available, Australian members available, England members available, Pakistani members also available. So how this ICC working like as an organization, W3C also working in the same format. And this one is established by the Tim Berners-Lee in the year of 1993. The very first time they started this W3C organization in the year of 1993 for maintenance of these web operations. This is the W3C operations and W3C responsibilities, sir. Our global servers are maintained by the W3C. In our web, in internet, any problems are occurs, the problems also going to fixing by this team only. Future, any new things are introducing, sir, that also should come from this team only. So he's the whole one supreme power of the all over the world internet and web operations. Next, we have the small things are here. This person, we have some specializations. Tim Berners-Lee, we can call as a father of web. Who is the father of computers? Charles Babbage. Like that, father of web is Tim Berners-Lee. He's the father of web. Fourth line, our last two words, see that, sir. In fourth line, last words. The web inventor and the director. Who is that, sir? And Tim Berners-Lee. Why he is called as the web father of the web, sir? Because the web related so many things are designed and developed by the person. So many things related to our internet, related to our websites are designed and developed by the same person. Then we called as with the title father of web. What are the things he invented, sir? What are the things he designed, sir? The first of all, I already said he designs the www. World Wide Web architecture is designed by this person. How the World Wide is working, how it is going to integrating with other systems, how can place the data, how can access the data. This total structural design is came from this person only. The second thing, what I said just now, W3C team is also formed by the same person. Next one, sir, our subject HTML, hypertext markup language. That language also designed by the same person only. Inventor of HTML is Tim Berners-Lee. Inventor of web is Tim Berners-Lee. Inventor of www is also Tim Berners-Lee. Next, this word is very popular, na? HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol. Without this word, can you access any websites? No, maybe you are not typing sometimes, browser typing automatically. And some people's what they are thinking, sir. Sir, I'm open the browser, sir. Directly google.com enter, it's working, sir. HTTP, I'm never typed. Hmm. You are never typed, sir, but browser typed that one, sir. It's a mandatory to open the websites. But sometimes users typing, sometimes users not typing. When you type yourself, sir, okay. If you are not designed or if you are not typed yourself, browser typing that words. 100% sir, Adi, there is no choice, there is no optional. So this also protocol designed by the same person only. The protocol developed by the same person, your HTML language is designed by the same person, W3C organization establishes by the same person, www is also designed by the same person. Suitable title, father of web. If any of the four things is missing, sir, today we are not enjoying with internet. No gamings, no chattings, no TikTok videos, no online OTT movies, no songs playing, etc., etc., etc. That all the credit is goes to Sir Tim Berners-Lee only. But now I have the small doubt here, sir. What is difference between www and wwwc? First point, www. This is the wwc. What is the difference between these two? Anybody? www, difference. I'm not explained, but you can guess as per these explanations. No, no. Possible, 100%. So simple things are. So both are uncomparable components, first of all. My question is wrong. Difference between these two, sir. One writing, one for the erasing. Some similarities are available, both used in the same place also. Difference between these two, sir. How we are explaining differences? Marker, remote, differences explained. If you want to compare anything, if you want to differentiate anything, that both should be the similar type of components. Then only it is possible. Like that variety components, if you are taking and comparison, it's a wrong operation. Simple. Suppose example, difference between the Shivakumar and this person, sir. Possible. Because both we are the human beings only. Possible. Student or faculty are secondary, but comparison is possible. Human being category. Difference between the Shivakumar and Duster, sir? I am living thing and this is non-living thing. How we can compare? So actually, the comparison not possible, sir. But without getting the confusion, I raised the doubt. Both are not same. www, it's a computer server, and W3C is a organization. One mission, one organization. So both don't mix up. Almost spellings matching us, sir. Maybe we have a chance to get the small confusion. Confusion elimination is last question raised. This is the server, contains the websites, and this is the organization. Some employees are working. Clarity got it up? Difference between these two. Next. This is the first two words. Then moving to the third word, server. Moving to the third word, server. So what is server, sir? Server is one type of computer. Server is a one type of computer. What is this one type of computer, sir? Maybe in your childhood days and especially school days. If you remember the school days, nowadays most of the schools they're teaching the computers, basics, fundamentals, something, right? In that fundamentals scenario, we discussed one topic, sir. Computer generations. Remember? First generation computer, second generation computer, third gen. I'm not explained. Your school days, I'm asking. Next, along with the computer generations, maybe you are discussing input device, output device, central processing unit, CPU, CPU inside ALU, MU, CU. These are all the things, right? In the same scenario, we are discussing the types of computers also. All schools they are covering or not, I don't know, sir. But nowadays generation said that they're compulsory teaching that one. Types of computers, laptops, desktops, LCD screens, normal screens. Don't say these type of answers because all these are the wrong answers. I'm asking about the types of computers. First of all, is there any types of computers as sir? Yes, sir. We have 4 types of computers and we have 3 types of computers. Variety. We have 4 types of computers. At the same time, we have 3 types of computers. The total 7 are sir. No, 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 no. Separate, separate. This 4 separate, this 3 separate. How the 2 models are comes in the same components are and a reason different. And based on which reason you are dividing, based on the reason the types are going to changing. Simple, we have the full house here classroom, right? How many types of students available here, sir? My question is, how many types of students are available? How many categories of students are available? 2 types. Names? Huh?
Recording in
Compared to micro,
progress.
mainframes is best. And compared to mainframe, super is a super only. Simple thing. So the least to highest. Whenever the model changing, sir, performances are changing, as well as the storage capacity is also changing. Next, second model, I said now 3 types available. That also I'm going to writing here. Sir. We have 3 types of or 3 categories of computers. What are the categories, sir? Digital computers, balance models. Anybody? Huh? Analog. Yes, right answer. Next one starts with HE. Hybrid, hibernate. Hybrid, sir. Digital computers, analog computers, and hybrid computers. These classifications are based on functioning. It's nothing but an working style. Working style. That is nothing but an functioning. So this is the 2 models of the computers. Which is the right answer, sir? Both right answers, sir. Reasons different. Dividing reasons are the different. But both answers are correct. By chance, if anybody they asked the question outside the classroom, what we have to answer, sir? First one answer always. You should answer always the first one. This is. But now models explained, sir. Just list only. I'm not touching internal concepts. That is not our subject. Our laptops, our desktops belongs to which category? Anybody can you guess? In this one, our laptops, desktops, which model? Mini. Okay. This one? Digital. So in first category, our computers are mini computers. Second category, our computers are digital computers. Sure, huh? Your laptops, your desktops. Company, whatever it may be, all comes under the same category. Company name is not matter here. Okay, second guess is correct, sir. Our computers here is becomes under digital only. First guess is micro computers, sir. Not we are mini, we are micros. We are using microprocessors, not mini processors. Mini olden days concept, micro current. Your laptop, my laptop, and this desktop is also all comes under the micro only. The second level computers we are using. In the top of that, our computers, we have the super performance computers, mainframes available and super also available. We can purchase these only, sir. Expensive, sir. Mainframes starting price 1.5 lakhs. Mainframe computers starting at the least configuration in the mainframe is 1.4 lakhs onwards, up to 2 crores available. Computer 2 crores necessary? No, we can purchase 10 Benji cars also. But why that much of expensive computers, sir? Who are using, sir? Not by the personally, by the companies. Mainframes always used by our companies, sir. SBI server is mainframe only, IRCTC server mainframe only, TCS server is mainframe only, Infosys server is mainframe only, Big Bazaar server is mainframe only, KFC server is also mainframe only. Because our ordinary computers, more than that configuration required to maintain as all these customers' details. So most of our companies' servers are the mainframes. Maximum companies, their servers mainframes are databases available in that mainframes. Databases, I think you are attending already Oracle or something. Our databases we are maintaining in the mainframe systems for faster accessing of the data. But supercomputers, even companies also not using, sir. Organizations, WWW server supercomputer, I said. NASA using supercomputers, ISROs are using supercomputers, satellite systems using supercomputers, Navy department, airlines, investigation departments, these are all like that, they're using super. Even not normal companies, organizations, governments, technical science, those peoples are using this. Personal like no chance. Reason one supercomputer cost 2 to 3 crores. Starting price, sir, up to 100 crores, 200 crores cost also available. After all computer, 100 crores. Why? It is just a small comparison. We are feeling our computers are super fastly working, sir. Recently, I purchased one laptop, 70,000, superly running sir system. So your computer compared to your more power computers are available, those. Just a small comparison, sir, for your understandability purpose. On a laptops, mainframes, how much difference available in the storage and performance wise, sir? Latest laptops, sir, i7 processors. Latest laptops, i7 processor. HP, Asus, Acer, brand, whatever it may be. 100 laptops, latest configuration, newly purchased. These 100 laptops start the working something task within how much time, sir? 1 day time. 1 day. 100 laptops, 24 hours, so they're working round the clock. 24 hours they're working. How much task they can do? The same task, one mainframe, within 1 minute it is finishing. One mainframe, within 1 minute it is finishing the total task. So I allotted the task to 100 laptops. The task finishing 100 laptops, they're spending their time 24 hours. The 100 laptops within 24 hours of time, how much work they finished? The same work, one mainframe, within 1 minute they can finish. That is the power of the mainframes. Mainframes next, who is available? That one you can imagine yourself. I'm leaving for your imagination only. These are the types of computers, sir. Better remember, future it's getting some useful for you. So comes to this, my server is the supercomputer. This is the world's fastest working computer is supercomputer. In the supercomputer top, we don't have anything, sir. That is the topmost level. And you said that specially designed. What is this specially designed, sir? Specially designed in the sense, input devices not available, output devices not available. Generally, any computer is available, sir. Input, output is general requirement, sir. So this is monitor, and here we have the keyboard, and here we have the mouse, and here we have the central processing unit. This is monitor, this is keyboard, and this is mouse, and this is the CPU. This is the general computer combination. But comes to these servers, these not available. We have only CPU. That is the specially designed means. But monitor not available, how we are watching the data, sir? You're watching the data in your laptops, not in the server. Data presented in server, but the data where from you are accessing? From our mobiles we are accessing, from our desktops we are accessing, from our laptops we are accessing. So server is works like as a just a storage device. It works like as a storage device. Whenever you require the data, it is distributing the data to you. Whenever you are giving the data, it's collecting and storing into this one. So servers doesn't require any input and output devices because nobody working on server directly. Okay, sir, small example. Your college labs observed, computer labs available, colleges. How many systems? 20, 30, 40, 60, depends upon the college level. But all these systems we connected together are already not. We have some bench rows wise available, neatly system by system with 1 feet or 2 feet gap arranged. But all these systems are connected to one main system. That system generally called as server. Where it is available? in separate area na, or along with these systems, sir? Separate area. Your lab this much available, sir. A corner server is available. Generally on that server, students are working anywhere. No, maybe your lab maintenance team is working, or most probably your administration department is using. But regular students are never working on that server. In small college, 50 systems, our management is not allowing to work on that one, right? Here, this is the global server connected to trillions of computers. How we are working directly on that one, sir? After all, 40 systems, college management not allowing the students. But trillions of systems connected together and all the data available in that one. If you corrupt the data, if you destroy the data, it becomes very problem. So nobody directly working on the servers. For maintenance house, sir, it's working or not properly, data storing or not, sir. For that, our cinema scenes are going to repeat. Hollywood movies, cinema movies, scenes, some of the Telugu, Hindi movies also. Hero entering into villain's den. Villains when big company is there. In that, some computers also available, right? But a hero carrying their own laptop or hero carrying their own tab. Whenever they enter into villain's den, what hero is doing? Connecting or not connecting? What are the system they carried themselves? This system connecting to villains computers and copying the data. A small suspense also creating other. Our villains are coming to this den. No? Director creativity generally. One person outside waiting of this villain's den, informing to hero, completed a work, completed an art. The car coming, data copying. A data copying also moving like this. Observe the scenes. Villains cars are coming like this. Data copying, villains car coming, data copying, villains coming, data copying, villains coming. Villains entering, hero jump. Final scene there. A suspense going on, going on, going on. 2-3 minutes after the silently hero copying the data jump. Villains coming normally into their den. And a specially designed computers available, if you observed or not. Those all are the supercomputers. I'll show the picture here. See. So many movies we observed, we watched these type of computers, sir. On a James Bond movies, so CID movies, so raw agents working movies. This what I'm saying. It's a computer, but look like as my college library iron shelves available, the bookshelves like that. Otherwise, my Tirumala Tirupati Devasthana luggage counters available, the iron shelf like that. But fact one, as a supercomputer, 2 crores cost. You see this picture. మన apartments construction available గా సార్ towers wise that is almost every supercomputer height 9 to 10 feet height available, height of the system. And if you move it, fan hitting my hand, sir. So each system nearly 8 to 10 feet height available. Where is the monitor in that one? Where is the keyboard? Where is the mouse? Not available. But what is this, sir? It's just a storage device, that's all. It's just a storage device. Now clearly visible, see that one. The name of this system is Gordon. The visible, see that GORDON. This is storage device. All our data available in that systems. Every website related information, every client related information, every user information, images, or movies, or videos, or software is all available there. That data we are accessing from our computers. But the system working or not properly, how they can identify it, sir? My example is going on. What I just explained the example, that is happens. That pictures also I'll show it, wait. This is. Get a separate system available, sir, here. They're using the separate system. That one is connected to our supercomputers and monitoring from this one. They're connected the separate system to these supercomputers and monitoring it's functioning properly or not. Where is all these things are? These all are available in our W3C headquarters. W3C, I said now half an hour back. In the W3C headquarters, these all are available. All these are maintained by the W3C. So supercomputers always the look is completely different. Specially designed, you saw that one. So that architecture to our computer architecture is anything matching, sir? Our computer height may be this much, but that computer height to minimum of 8 feet is available. What we have inside this server, sir? The server always maintains your project's source code, sir. Your website's source code. It contains website's source code as well as the supporting files, as well as some DBs, means databases, plus some services, etc., etc. There's all the things available in our supercomputer as well as the server. How many websites available? That all the websites source code, that website related are supporting files. Files means image files, PDF files, audio files, etc., etc. And a websites related database and some essential services based on the websites. These all the things available are located in this server. What are the picture you just now watched? In that one, these all the things are available. Next, what is the responsibilities of this server, sir? So what it contains, I mentioned here, sir. Now I'm going to explaining a simple point, responsibilities. And what is the work of the server? Servers always receiving the data from the clients and serving the data to clients. This is server, sir. It is accepting the information from you and storing here. In future, when you are asking again the details, it's retrieving to you through one flow, to one flow concept. It's servicing the data. Instead of servicing, you can say better sharing. It's sharing the data to client missions. Servers, one of the main responsibilities, it's sharing the data to clients. How can say, sir? See the spelling, server. Normal English meaning what, sir? HTML, computers, C language, Java, leave it. Just a simple English meaning of server is serving only. In our hotels also server available or not? What he is doing? Serving. And this is also server. Then only system name also same name. Why they said, sir? It is always providing the service to clients. Data services. At the same time, and it stores the data. Which data or whose data, sir? The data coming from client. It stores the data coming from clients. So what are the data clients are giving? The data it is storing. In future, clients again asking the data is going to retrieving. Same things are your wallets available, money wallets, Paytm or GPay or something, especially Paytm. A Paytm first you are loading some amount, phone pay Paytms, UPI payments apps, sir. First you are loading some amount in Paytm or not from your bank account. Once if you loaded 5,000 rupees, sir, daily you are using 30 rupees, 20 rupees. Sir. First we are giving the money to Paytm. Then future, we are asking, give my money, give my money, give my money, give my money. That is the concept. So it is storing your money. Tomorrow onwards, when you need, then it is providing the money services. Like that, our server also doing the same thing only. And last point, sir. Servers contains any special softwares, sir, compared to our computers. Compared to our computers, servers contains any specially designed softwares, 100% required. But our computers, we don't have any specially designed computers. Our computers are not providing any services to others, sir. So we don't need any special softwares. But the server should contain a specially designed softwares, those called web server softwares and application server softwares. The servers always maintains a specially designed softwares. Those are the web server softwares and application server softwares. Mandatory, sir. And how to install, sir? We don't know whether these softwares are. You are not installing because that is a server. We can't work directly on servers. A maintenance team is installing all these softwares. They are configuring all these softwares. We are just utilizing those. But why you are explaining, sir, we are not installing a sir? Awareness. Web server softwares, application server softwares are maybe names is very, very new to somebody, but I'll give the examples. You'll get something better idea. IIS. It's one of the web server software used by the .NET developers who are attending the .NET batches. Those are all using this software. The website developed in the .NET for accessing of the website, for running of that website, the software support required. The website developed in the .NET technologies. Opening of the website, accessing of the website, the software support required. This is one of the web server. Like that, Tomcat. If you develop the websites in Java technologies, sir, we need this software compulsory. The website developed in the Java technologies, the website accessing by the users, running by the users, we need this software. What is this, sir? It is one of the application server software. Tomcat is one of the application server software. We have a lot of like this. Suppose PWS available, AWS available, JBoss available, WebLogic is available, etc., etc. These are the different types of web servers and different types of application servers. Finally, if you want to launch your own website, you must need the support of one of the software, compulsory. Without these softwares, opening of website is not possible. 100% not possible, sir. So this is the server related information, sir. Balance information we'll see in the next session. I'll share the small information regarding to our batch. So batch timings are, first of all, what we are covering, sir. HTML, CSS and JavaScript only, sir. No other things. Angular, React, no. Angular, React, well, again, separate batches are starting. In this batch, I'm going to completing this syllabus. No, sir, I joined the Angular also, sir. I joined the React also, sir. For the separate batches are forming. Whenever the batches is started, you will get the messages also. Now the batch timings are fixed timings are. So 9:30. Sorry. Tomorrow onwards, our batch timings are changing. Not 9:30, sir. Afternoon 2 o'clock from tomorrow onwards. Because of the room problem available. So 2 o'clock, we have the big room in the same building. So batch timings from tomorrow onwards, 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. From tomorrow onwards, batch timings are changed by the management, sir. So 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. batch timings. Online, offline, both, sir. Online and offline. Instead of 9:30, 2 o'clock, we are starting from tomorrow onwards because of the room problem. Because so many students they're going out, sir, because there is no space. Then only timings changed. Next, the duration of the batch is 45 sessions compulsory it will take, sir. Duration of the batch, the 45 sessions compulsory. Maybe 2-3 sessions excess going on, but below it, no chance at all. 45 sessions, underline this word, Your Honor. 45 sessions, sir. Duration. And what about the notes and examples, sir? You are continuously explaining theory part, but we are not writing, sir. You don't worry, sir. Notes and examples, everything we will share through Google Classroom link. I'll upload and everything in the Google Classroom. Google Classroom is not created, sir. It will comes maybe in the coming Monday. Once the classroom is created, I'll directly share to you. Or directly display on the class screen. You can just copy the code and join in the Google. So most probably we'll get the Google Classroom link in the coming Monday. Once the link generated, I'll announce in the class. In this link, complete theory part and daily examples we are uploading day to day. So you don't need to write it. If you are interested to write running notes, you can follow. I can't stop that one. And who are unable to write the running notes, sir, for those candidates, we are providing this support. Google Classroom link not created till today. It's created on the next Monday, sir. Once it is created, I'll share that one. That's all good. Batch details. So what are the subjects we are covering and what is the timings from tomorrow onwards and the duration and what about the notes and examples. Online and offline, both link tomorrow onwards, timings changed. But link, same link only, sir. Underline that one. Online students, link not changing, same link. Timings only changed. And wherever the classrooms are, in the same building, sir, first floor. The second floor together. So tomorrow onwards, go to the first floor, room number 1. You can sit very freely because the room capacity 400 people. No need this congested problem. Tomorrow onwards, class timings 2 p.m. And the classroom, first floor, room number 1. Okay. Thank you all. Tomorrow we'll continue.
After this demonstration, the strength will be the same. Most probably. And where we can do the practical session. Your experience on lab. You have to have. And you're going to install the software. Lab equipment, lab packet mixer.
So 4 PM is our Oracle batch. So how can we do this? Sir? Already Oracle class is going on at 2 to 4. 2 to 4. In K-Pro. How can we do this class, sir? Already this is going late. Many students are there who is doing things that. So when will be the next start?
Next batch will be 10 days. That's maximum. If they're not possible, that's 10 days, same time. Also, our website we have been walking Aravind one